In this day, we'll be talking about what args are. Args in Python programming language help us to handle any values to a function. What am I trying to say? Let's give an example so we can understand it much. This I created a function. I gave it a name, age. And to write an args in Python, make sure you start with the asterisk sign and then args. Remember that this args can be anything. It's not a must it's args, but this is a conventional way it's being written in Python. I can give it name. Doesn't matter as far as this asterisk is start with it. But let me give it to args. And what does this do? Let's say print args. Remember when you are printing it out, the asterisk does not have to come with it. Let me call it age. When I run this, I can give it any amount of values I want. It's going to be handled by this args. Remember initially for us to able to do this, we have to explicitly set the variables on top. Here I can say x, y, z. Let's say I want to write, let's say 2, 3. I have to say x, y, z. So when I run it, I can get my 1, 2, 3. But while I'm writing this, I'm going through the stress. Since I want to print out just 1, 2, 3, I can just write the args and then come here to print out the args. When I run this, I still get my 1, 2, 3, but it's going to be in form of a tuple. If I want to make use of it, I can say x is equals to args index 0. Let's say I want to make use of 1, and when I print out x, can see I'll get my 1. If I was to say index 2, which will start from this is 0, 1, 2. So I'm going to get my 3. 3 is going to be displayed. So what are the uses of args? Because as you can see right now, it doesn't have much use for as of now. Let's say main use of args in a situation where we're expecting a large number of values. Let's say in a situation we're running a web scraping, for example, I'm expecting we have a function to handle input that's coming from a website. With args, writing args help us to handle those without explaining. Because if we don't do that, we have to manually type the amount of variable that we're expecting. But with args, we can accept the ones we want and neglect the ones we don't want. So let's say in a situation we still want to give it our variable that we still want to. Let's say I gave it something like k, for example. Here, what is going to happen here? Since this args handles other other values, what is going to happen is that this k is going to be giving this value 1. So when let's say I run x k comma s, this is going to give me an error because this is not going to be 0, 1, but meanwhile I put 2 here. Let's run and see the error that will go. I can see tuple out of range. So because this k is already handling this 1 initially, so I have to reduce the range to something like 1. As you can see, k handled the 1, and when I ran this 1, I was able to get this because this is now in the 0 and there's 1. There are whole many use cases to args, but just know that the main function of arg is to accept handles values that we are not making use of at the moment, and we can still use it in our script later on. So that's just basically what args does. And just write the args and then give the value you want to args to handle. So there are still many complex ways it's going to be used, but let's keep it simple like this as of now. So we have come to the end of the video. If you find the video helpful, please don't forget to subscribe. It's not going to take money from your pocket. So I'll be happy to see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.